I love the closure. They really got it right with the closure this time. This wig looks like something from the 90s, the 80s, you know, I don't know. All these wigs are under 6,000 naira. This wig has lace. It has lace, guys. So you see, open, close, open, close. I'm looking well fed. I'm looking like I take my vitamins. I'm looking like I mind my business, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is ONYINYE Okoliie and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. On today's video, I'm going to be reviewing 5 wigs from JUMIA.com.ng. Jumia.com is an e-commerce site like the Amazon, okay, here in Africa. And I took my time and selected 5 wigs from the site. And guys, all these wigs are under 6,000 naira. So very budget friendly, okay? So if you'd be interested in this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get straight into the video. Wait. This is a mood though, you know? What's that girl's name? That girl that covers her face. Is it Caesar? I don't know. You know, the girl, the musician that covers her face. I look like her now, but no. This wig is so tight. Okay, guys, so we have this wig. This wig is the lovely full fringe wig. And this wig costs 3,599 naira, basically 3,600 naira. I'm going to put a picture of what the wig look like here on the website. First impressions. I just love, like I told you that I've been feeling a fringe or a band, and I'm trying to be honest, this wig is giving me life, but there's so much shed. Like, what was all this? Okay, moving on. I'm going to talk about the cons and the pros. So the first con I noticed was this wig is too small. I don't think this wig can fully enter any adult's head. The wig is basically stopping like here. It doesn't come down. So second con is the shedding. I think the shedding is bearable, but it sheds, it definitely sheds. The third con is the wig is like very scanty, and you know, it gives you that natural feel. If you're someone that doesn't like a lot of hair on a wig, you may like this, but I think this is a bit too scanty. This doesn't even look realistic. And then the pros. First of all, the hair is very silky and soft, okay? It's very silky, very soft. And that, I love the length. It's about, let me say, this is about like 16 to 18 inches, okay? About 16 to 18 inches. And yes, I love the way it looks, okay? You can't talk to me anyhow. In terms of rating, I'm going to rate this wig a 7. If the cap was well fixed, now I'm giving it an 8. Like, this wig is a solid 8, but because of the small cap size, I'm going to give it a 7, okay? So this is what it looks like. So this wig is the Cambodian curly hair wig natural, okay, and it costs 3,960 naira, okay, 3,960 naira for this wig. I'm going to put a picture of what the wig look like on the website here, okay? So the first con is this whole closure situation. That's the first con. And it's very bulky. It's very bulky here, okay? And then the pros. The curls are so beautiful, okay? And on that pro, obviously, is affordable. And another pro, I like how it frames my face. However, with the texture, it is not soft. So another con is that this wig is not very soft. But for 3,960 naira, I didn't really expect very soft hair. But yes. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this wig a 7, yes. So guys, let me know down below in the comments what you rate this wig, okay? A colored wig. Come on. very, very, very vibrant. Guys, this wig has lace. It has lace, guys. I have a lace wig. This wig is, the name of this wig is the Beautiful Slay Wig Gold and Black, and it costs 4,240 naira. I'm going to put a picture of what the wig looks like here. But something I don't get, okay, is this is the first wig I have that has an actual closure. So I'm going to come closer. So this closure is just lopsided. This side is higher than this side. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera. And then there's no, I can't speak. There's insufficient hair to cover up the tracks, so the tracks are kind of visible. And then this wig is kind of meant to be an ombre, but what these people did was they put the kind of golden orange color and then got like a 6-inch. Okay, let me show you guys. So you can see that the closure is a different color, and then there are tracks under. Okay, so blending, this is really not an ombre wig. The first con is I don't like the whole closure situation. There's insufficient hair to actually cover the tracts up, so the closure is kind of not enough hair. And then the color, but I just don't like the color on my skin too. That's a personal con. And the third con is the hair is kind of scanty. Okay, it's like about 1.5 bundles of hair. So yes, the hair is scanty. For the pros of this wig, it is very silky. Okay guys, see how easily I'm running my fingers straight. It's very silky. I love the color, but not just on me. The color is beautiful, very vibrant color, and yes. And then obviously it's very affordable. So guys, I think I prefer this wig in a side pattern. And in terms of the cap size, the cap fits very well, very comfortable cap. So I'm going to rate this wig a 6.5. Let me know what you rate this wig down below. Also, do you think this color suits me? What do you guys think? I don't think the color suits me, but do you guys think this color suits me? Leave a comment down below. Also, I wouldn't advise you to straighten this hair. I don't think this hair is heat resistant wig, and this wig is called the Bouncy Baby Hair Wig, Omotola inspired, and this wig costs 5,989 naira. Okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they...
Guys, please, let's not be as if I'm the only one seeing this. This is what the wig look like on the site, and this is what I look like with the wig on, okay? Please give this wig a rating in the comments below. Okay, so first things first, let me talk about the cons of this wig. First thing is that the wig is shed. So the wig sheds, that's the first con. Second con is that the wig cap is very, very tight. Like, the third thing is that this wig looks nothing, they tried, but it doesn't really look as full as the wig on the site. Okay, so yes. Then the pros is it's very soft. Okay, this wig is very soft. I don't know how it's going to fare after a few wears, but it's very, very soft. And that pro is is cheap. This wig is like 5,900, basically 6,000 naira, so it's very cheap. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this wig, I see where they were trying to go with the wig, but they didn't quite get it. So I'm going to give this wig a 4. No, I think that's a bit too harsh. I'm going to give this wig a 5, yes. So this wig is a 5 for me, okay? Okay guys, so we've come to the last wig. Oh, another closure wig. Okay guys, so this wig is called the Wig Straight Hair Wig with Closure 20 inches, and this wig was 4,199 naira, so basically 4,200 naira. I'm going to put a picture of the wig here, and I think it looks pretty. The wig is pretty good. Like you already know by now, I'm sure watching this video, I prefer a side part, and I think it looks really cute. It's a bit longer than the others, and I love the closure. They really got it right with the closure this time. Okay, this closure looks very realistic. If you want it to look more realistic, you probably put your foundation color and then for it to match your skin tone. Let's talk about the cons of this wig, okay? The first con is this cap is kind of small. I don't know why all these Jumia wig have small cap sizes, okay? The second con is, I don't know. I think the fullness, I like my wigs a bit fuller. This is kind of scanty for me, so the fullness of the wig. And I don't have any other con. In terms of the pro, I love how it feels. It's very, very silky, okay? This wig is very silky. I love the length, I love that's another pro. I love the texture, I love the length. I love the realistic closure, okay? And yes, please just ignore this part. I didn't put my foundation color there, but ignore that part. Tell me this wig doesn't look cute. So this wig is an 8 from me, okay? This wig is an 8. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, okay? Let me know down in the comments what would you rate this wigs, okay? And all the wigs I wore in this video are linked in the description. Another thing I would like to say is that all these wigs are all synthetic or fiber wigs, okay? They are not human hair wigs, so tread with caution, okay? Also, let me know down in the comments what other kind of videos you would love to see from me. I also think they get to know me tag. I'm going to link it right here, okay? So click this get to know me tag if you would like to know more about me, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting stuff, okay? See you in my next video. Bye. Subscribe.